Healthy morning, students. Already we have started exercise 4.4 up to question number from 4.4. Question 1 already we have solved. Today we solve question 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Then this chapter going to be over. So the question number 2nd. The question is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? If so, find length and breadth. The question is, first of all we have to check it out whether this statement or this question is correct or not. If it's correct, then we have to solve. See, correctness of every statement can be found out, or correctness of every quadratic equation can be found out by finding out b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, roots real and equal, that means statement is correct. B square minus 4ac equals to 0, roots real and equal, again statement is correct. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, that means roots of quadratic equation is not possible, the statement is wrong. Clear? So in this way, by finding out b square minus 4ac, we can get an idea. But to find out b square minus 4ac will require quadratic equation that will form from the question. So here we want length and breadth. So whatever variable come afterward, that will suppose x. So breadth come afterwards, so we'll suppose breadth x. So length of rectangular field will be, read, length is equal to twice to its breadth, that means x. Now we find a relation between x and 2x, that is given the first question, first statement. No, here it is. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth? That we have formed, and area is 800 meters square. From this statement, equation will form. Formula of area is length into breadth. Here we have length x, sorry 2x, breadth x equals to 800, 2x square equals to 800. See, here we don't want to solve. First of all, we have to find out the correctness of the statement. So we will not find out value of x, but we will convert it into quadratic form. So we will shift 800 towards left hand side. Every quadratic equation have three terms. One term of x square, one term of x, another constant. Here we have term of x square, but we don't have term of x, so we will write 0 and constant. Compare ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a will be 2, b 0 and c minus 800. Okay. Let us find out b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b square, b is 0 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 800. So 0 square 0 minus minus plus 4 2s are 8. 8 8s are 6400. So 6400 is positive, that means the roots are possible. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. So roots are real and distinct. What does it mean? That means the statement is correct. So it is possible. Therefore, it is possible to design a rectangular groove. Now here we want length and breadth also, so we'll find the value of x. So we'll use this equation. It will be easy for us. 2x square equal to 800, shift x square will be 800 divided by 2, x square will be 400. Now to remove this square, what we'll do? We'll do square root on both the side. But when we do square root, we have to consider both the side, plus minus. square root of 420. So x will be plus 20 and x will be minus 20, which is not possible because x we have suppose breadth can never be negative. Breadth can never be negative. Okay, so length here, breadth will be x equals to 20 meter and length will be 2 into x, 2 into 20 equal to 40 meter. So here the sum is solved. Go through it. Clear? Let us solve next one. Number 3. Is the following situation possible? Same way we have to check it out the correctness of the statement. So determine present ages. The statement correct है, then we have to find out present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago the product of ages was 48. Here you want present ages of two friends. So we'll suppose let two friends are there, so I will suppose age of one friend or first friend x year and present age of second friend. See here sum of the ages is 20. As I told you, whenever you convert variable in terms of x, you have to take opposite. So here sum given, so we'll do subtraction of these two. So the present age of the second friend will be 20 minus x. Read further. 4 years ago the product of ages was 48. Now here I want to find out product of ages, but which ages? 4 years ago. So now we will find out 4 years ago the age of first friend and second friend. So 4 years ago age of first friend एगो that means we'll do subtraction. मैं अगर आपको बोलूं अभी आप 20 years के हो, before 4 years what would be your age? Obviously you will subtract 4 from your present age. 20 years के हो अभी तो 4 साल पहले आपकी एज क्या होगी? 20 minus 4 16. तो वही यहां पर करना है, हम 4 को माइनस करेंगे. x minus 4 year and the age of second friend 20 minus x minus 4, इसको राउंड करो तो 20 minus 4 16 minus x year. Now what is the relation between them? Product of age is 48. Product of age is 48. Let us do product of these two age. X minus 4 16 minus x equals to 48. So x will multiply with this whole bracket and minus 4 will multiply with this whole bracket. X into 16, 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x equals to 48. Okay, 4x plus 16x, 20x minus x square minus 64 equal to 48. X square is negative, so we'll shift all the term towards right hand side. So we will have 48 minus 20x plus 2x square plus 64. Arrange x square first, then x, 64 plus 48, 112. Now compare ax square plus bx plus c. So here we'll have a1 b minus 20 and c 112. Let us find out b square minus 4ac. b minus 20 minus 4 into a 1 and c 112. So 400 minus 424, I will get minus 24. B square minus 4ac less than 0. Whenever we have b square minus 4ac less than 0, there will be no real roots are possible. No real roots are possible. That means what? Here we have to check it out. Okay, is the following situation possible? So this situation is not possible. Given situation is not possible. Clear? Go through it. Clear? Let us solve next one. Question number 4 now. Is it possible to design rectangular park of perimeter 80 and area 400 meters square? If so, find length and breadth. Same type of sum it is. So what we'll do first, we'll suppose either length or breadth x. So breadth is afterwards, so I will suppose breadth x. But to find out length, we are having two things, perimeter and area. From both you can find out length. Perimeter से भी length मिल जाएगी और area से मिल जाएगी. So let us find out length by using the formula of perimeter. Perimeter is 80 meter. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B 80. Now shift this 2 down. we'll have L plus B. 80 divided by 2 will be 40, but breadth is x, so length will be 40 minus x meter. So now we are having length and breadth both. Now we find out relation between these two so that we can form the equation. It is area of 400 meters square. Formula of area is length into breadth. Length 40 minus x, breadth x into 40. Again we'll shift all term towards right hand side. Arrange x square, x and 400. Okay. Now we find out b square minus 4ac. Let us compare ax square plus bx plus c. a1 b minus 40 and c 400. Let us find out b square minus 4ac. b minus 40 minus 4 into a1 and c 400. 40 square 1600 minus 400 into 4 1600 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So roots are real and equal. So here we can find out roots. So what we write? Yes, it is possible to design rectangular park. Now if it is possible, then we want to find out length and breadth also. So let us find out length and breadth. So here we will use quadratic equation which we are having over here from 1 See, whenever two zeros are there, I told you कि first of all check it out direct method. High 2 0, I will have 4 only, है ना? तो 2 2 जा 4, ये दो जीरो दोनों के एक जीरो दे दो, ऐड करने पर 40 चाहिए आ गया, एडिशन देयर बी सेम साइन तो माइनस माइनस, so x minus 20 equals to 0. So x minus 20 equal to 0, x minus 20 equal to 0, x equal to 20. You might be thinking why it is necessary to write 2 times, because clearly it is mentioned over there that roots are real and equal. Equal roots है तो कौन से दो equal कुछ बताना तो पड़ेगा ना, तो आपको दोनों लिखना पड़ेगा. So let us find out length and breadth. So breadth of rectangular park will be x equals to 20 meter and length it will be 40 minus x, so 40 minus 20 meter. So here we are having length and breadth both. Go through it. Clear? Let's end this lecture over here. Bye. Have a safe day.